Off screen. Sorry guys, I'm setting up my screen right now. Freaking the system didn't want to flip over for me. There we go. That's done. And flip that. Got my YouTube peeps right here. Chat, good, good, good. All right, just fix this real quick. Hey guys, while you're waiting, so I have not changed the pricing yet. I have not changed anything yet. Okay, so this is still available $39.99, and the watch this is still available for $19.99. But end of the month here. So that was yesterday. Yesterday was the last day of April. So I'm switching that stuff over. The new price for full access is going to be $79.99. Right now it's $59.99. If you're in at any other price, you are grandfathered in. You don't have to worry about your price changing at all. So that's what we're going with. That's what I'm thinking at least. So hopefully that works for you guys. And yeah, we'll carry on here. All right, let's get this off the screen. That and get that and get that. And hey guys, what's up? So as you guys can see, I'm still holding 325 shares of ISPC, currently waiting, thinking I'm going to sell 100 shares if it wants to hit 152, maybe even higher. That's what I'm considering, just to take some profit off the table. I mean, for fuck's sake, I waited for it to hit 736 and didn't do anything because I was thinking it was going to go. And then today's just been kind of a butthole pucker moment, and a like, oh boy, it's gonna go, and then oh man, no, it's not. So yeah, I'm at that stage. I figure I should probably take half of my shares off the table so it doesn't hurt as bad if it does come back down, but I'm just a stubborn bastard. I swear to goodness. I'm just gonna not sell. I'm not gonna sell yet. We'll see what happens. I know a lot of you are out there sitting yelling at me, screaming, J-Rock, what are you doing, you dumb dumb? But it's okay. It's okay. Look, I've got it under control. Oh boy. All right. Yeah, I've been kind of quiet on remember rules, profit on the way up. Ha ha ha. Thank you, Dreamweaver. That is very true. And he is not wrong about that. I should possibly be taking my profits on the way up here. But like I said, I'm a stubborn person. Yeah, so I was testing my little system here. So this is not available to the public yet, but I'll show you guys what I've been working on right here. Check that out. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I've been working on right here. Yep, day analyzer for today's trades. So if you look, we've got SST in here right now. Let's put ISPC in here. ISPC. Okay, we got ISPC. We got opening range breakout. Pre-market price. What is the price right now of ISPC? Let's see, 642. So we go ahead and we go in here. We go 642. And we go ahead and analyze setup, and it's loading, and boom, there is your information there. What? Oh my God, all at your fingertips. No freaking way. Sheesh, right? Isn't that pretty cool? What do you guys think? Fireballs in the chat if you like that. Remember, that's jrockstocks.com. If you guys are curious, that's it right there. All right. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's what we've been working on. We've been working on a lot of things. That's why the price goes up, because I constantly work on trying to add things for you guys. And that is just it. So currently, that's what you got. We're gonna go ahead and get that out of here so you guys will not be able to access it yet, because it needs to go through a lot of trial and error. First, I got to test before I can give it to you guys and say, hey guys, here. Ta-da! So, how do you like them apples? Pretty cool, huh? Considering I see no fireballs in the chat. Uh, I guess not everybody thought that was cool. Captain thought it was cool. He said he likes it. Cree likes it. Yeah, analyzers are going to game changers. Yes. I'm consistently working on that. I missed it. Show me. I can't because I already took it off. So, but we talk off public, so we can do that later. On my mama, I'm talking to you. Oh man. So I am currently watching this thing like a hawk. This is 30-minute. I'm watching structure. Broke structure down here, but it came back, so that's okay. This was still along the lines of holding structure, so that was good. We'll see if we can get another pop into the $7 range here. You guys, today is Friday, and we're having a fun day. We're having fun day. We already took some profit, but yes, on my mama. I am still in ISPC. I'm still in it to win it. Oh man, I feel like I got hit by a truck. This entire week, I think I got all of maybe 10 hours of sleep, maybe. So yeah, when I finally got some sleep yesterday, I came home, took my kid to the dentist, and went. Took him, got some food, and then came home and put a little something in my belly and passed out. But no, like I said, I feel like I got hit by a truck. So I saw XXII this morning, and unfortunately, XXII was a liquidate only stock. So that kind of bummed me out there. On my mama, did you hear? Did you hear what I said about the analyzer thing? I hope so. But yeah, never mind says no, I missed it. I said that we'll talk about it in private. I'll show you it again. WTO. WTO. Yep, look at WTO go go go. So there is a gap on WTO. It's 534. This is a 30-minute chart, so let's take a look here. Looks like I already pre-marked it with a gap at 534. So it doesn't seem like it's hit it at all since, so it's still good. So we're gonna go ahead and say cool. Let's see. Volume weighted average price is 262. Let's go ahead and go back in here to a 1 minute. Well, look at that. A little bit of an inverted head and shoulder pattern there, a little breakout. Could consider this roughly a cup and handle, weird looking one, obviously. Can it go more? Yes, it can. I think if it can keep momentum, I think you could probably see 372. It's pushing pretty good, so 372, I'll say that's my first target on it. Oh, look at that. Cree's got it. Hey, I got a ticker for you. Yeah? Which one? Yeah, the one you sent yesterday. Yep. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Remember, guys, I'm also on the tube. I'm simultaneously streaming to both platforms. There we go. All right. Now we pin that. Okay, good. All right. So 332 so far. We are about 40 cents away from hitting the target here on WTO. Looking for some structure. Sorry, guys. When I get into in a like the coding part of all this crap, like it takes a minute for my brain to snap back out of it. There it is. Nice. Sorry, just got a bunch of messages. Uh, wow, Stevie Ray. God, I gotta get my eyes checked. Everything seems screwy. WTO's liquidate only on Weeble. They've been doing that shit way too much. It's getting annoying. That means that the broker thinks that the ticker is way too risky. That means that the broker doesn't have enough shares. That means that there's a lot of things that go into it, but mostly it's market manipulation, if you ask me. But that's what I think. Technically, you shouldn't be stopped from being able to buy a ticker. Just saying. It just makes no sense. Come on, ISPC. I want to offload a few more shares here. Come on, MACD, flip for me. Get back over 7. That would be fantastical. No problem, Mark. And I am having trouble staying up. My eyeballs are sticky. Man, I could have caught XXII at $2.10 this morning, but it was a liquidate only as well. So it wouldn't let me in. Here's another one starting to move, SOBR. There you go. There's SOBR. I cannot give levels, but SOBR is moving. Oh, come on. You freaking got to be kidding me. That's 3 in a row. That is 3 in a row. Liquidate only. Oh my God. The market manipulation is just insane. Duh. I swear to God, they're making it harder and harder for retail to be able to do anything. Suffering succotash. They're just making it harder and harder. XTLB starting to move again. $4.35. Here it is. Needs to break through volume weighted average price, in my opinion. Once it does, it'll have another shot at this 490. XTLB. GNL ends liquidate as well. Yeah. Liam, coming from the ISPC video. Hey, what's up, man? Oh, Jesus, guys. Wow. Cree's getting excited with all the tacos. And Gonzo, thank you for the roses. And Mr. Lonely, thank you for the hearts me. Cree, take your finger off the tacos. Cree. No, I don't do meme coins. There's no crypto talk in here. I do not. I do not. Cree, what are you doing? Oh, Cree's finger definitely got stuck on the taco button there. Hey, do you know what to do in a taco emergency? What? What do you do in a taco emergency? That's a lot of tacos. Sure is. Blah. Call 911. Oh man. Oh wow. Man, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. 911. Womp womp womp. Oh God. Holy shnikes. Wow. You know, you only see a pattern if you zoom out. You only see a pattern when you move out, when you zoom out of it. So right now I'm looking at the 30-minute on ISPC. Well, if I go to a 1 minute, a pattern starts to be a little bit more available there. What the fudge do you guys see here? You can tell me. It's okay. I won't cry. Shoulder, head, shoulder. That is a inverted head and shoulder pattern, and that is pretty damn good to see. It makes me feel better about my position and holding on for a little bit longer. In all honesty, I'll probably end up taking some profit right here if it can get there. Just a little bit. Thank you, Abu Adam, for sharing the live. Thank you, guys. Cree, thank you. Yes, inverted head and shoulder pattern on a 1 minute. Yep. So we'll see. We'll see where it takes us. But that looks very peachy. What's it look like on a 5 minute? Okay, looks like a huge shoulder, head, and then this could be working on a longer shoulder. Oh wow, what did I get? What did I get restricted for right here? Live visibility is not eligible for recommendation or restricted in search results because the primary directs people off the platform. This is in line with TikTok live appeal again, and then tomorrow they'll go ahead and approve it. All right, that's okay. It's all right. I started not giving a shit about TikTok too much anymore, so this notice is unclear. My live does not contain. That's right. That it does not contain, and you're gonna approve it. They're gonna approve it. That's all they do. They literally do that, and then they approve it, and then they say, "Oh, well, yeah, I guess we were mistaken." Yeah, and then if I talk bad about them, they'll call me a bully. So super annoying, super annoying. I think I'm just gonna go to some other platform. It's a taco violation. Oh no, taco violation. I need more coffee. All right. Well, so really would love to see this back over volume weighted average price. But let's keep on looking. What do you say? A lot of things are spiking. WTO hit that 340 and then back down to 280. ANGX. Here is ANGX. So it is 119 million float. It's only done 24,000 in trading, but in that 24,000 shares, it's done 38 cents in the correct direction. So not too shabby. Unfortunately, I got to keep an eye on this one. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep an eye on it. This here was a previous trend line, which it seemed to have used as support right there. So that's good. Could technically drop it down to here and then extend my other trend line the other direction there. It's not looking healthy again. Need her to hold 610. She broke structure again. 610. This could all be shenanigans before market open. You're in at 650, Abu Adam. On my mama. All right, we get it. Oh man. ANGX moving slowly. God love you, man. Oh, and there she goes. Doesn't look like she wants to do it. Doesn't look like she wants to hold. The level 2 is running out. 608. Yeah, it's a dump party right now. Where is she going to stop? She going to come down to this little line, or is she going to stop here at 583 again? So currently she broke structure, but in the overall picture, and yeah, she is very damn, she broke it. I was gonna say, because this could still be a head and shoulders pattern, but she just broke. She broke through. Still haven't sold, so I'm one of them dumb what do they call it? Dumb apes? I don't keep a list of them on my mama because they switch it after they do their shit. They switch it back to being able to liquidate or being able to buy again. All right, let's keep focused here. Let's keep focused. What are we gonna look at? Appeal approved. Look at that. Ha! Who'da thunk it? Wow, it didn't take them all day to approve it. That's amazing. But yeah, appeals approved. So there you go. Kind of knew that was gonna happen, right? LR8C. I want more volume on ANGX. We need more volume. Right now it's just not enough. 33,000 on a 119 million float, not enough. 1.2 million is its average, so all right, come on. LR8C, that's right. Let's go. Oh, oh. Look at it go, man. Jeez. This one here, you don't even have brakes on it. Watch, it's liquidate only. Is this thing liquidate only? Was that a reverse split right here? It looks like it did. Reverse split. Boom, boom, boom. 323. And it's one of them. And it's been in this situation so many times. Damn. ISPC gonna go down to this little green line, it looks like. We're gonna go ahead and turn negative on it. Watch. Watch. This pattern right here. This is standard operating procedure for dumping the stock. It's gonna dump now. Fuckers. There she goes. Here's your sign. Algorithms are playing with your emotions, guys. That's what they're doing. So there's your first target. These are old targets. We can get rid of this crap. So 311 is your target on LRHC. See what the candlesticks look like here. Why does this shit do that? I don't get it. Candlesticks lie. They no lie or they lie. Debbie, I took half off, or were you asking J-Rock? How much profits did you take? Me, I took a bunch of profits, lots of money. I'm rich. So rich I could taste it. Don't you see my bling in my mouth? See, it's bling, baby. It's bling. Oh man. What a fake out on LR8C. Yeah, SOBR, I can't give you levels. AMS. Here we go. This one could possibly be a little waker upper. Could be waking up right now. So it's done 35,000 so far. Its average is 73,000. Its float is 3.5 million. Does it have news that it dropped? I don't see any news there. What does it look like? Where could this possibly go? AMS. Oh, look at there. There's some gaps up here. Wouldn't you know? 187. We've got some gappies. 187 there. First target's going to be probably about 175. 175. We go up a little higher here, fills those gaps, probably run up to about 213. Come on, ISPC. You know you don't want to fuck with me. All right, let's see. I might see if I want to front run this thing. I think I'm gonna do it because it's cheap enough. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do 200 shares. I'm gonna front load this thing. Let's see. Wow, the spreads have got to be really freaking thick. It didn't even buy me in there. And it's actually above it. So here, let's see. Whoops. What am I doing? It's above it, Jarek. Wake up. There. All right, there we go. I'm in 200 shares on AMS. I'm going to try to front run it here. We'll see if it does anything for me. We got the song going here. All right. I'm gonna go get some coffee. I need some energy. I'm freaking dying right now. Hopefully the quick seconds that I'm gone, TikTok doesn't get mad at me for it. Guys, hit the like, the follow, the share. There's 48 of you in here. Let's see if we can make it 60. All right. See TikTok, I'm still here. I just left for a second to go get a coffee. A coffee. I like that it's above volume weighted average price. It's only up 12 right now. Let's see, what does news filters say about it? Actually, you know what? Let me try my little system here. Let's see what my system says. My system, yo. Oh, hey, you can't say that. That's mean. All right, let's see. Get out, walk it out, walk it out. Uh-huh. Come on, ISPC. Lift your booty back up there. Give me a weird looking inverted head and shoulder pattern. I'll take it at this point. Hey. Yeah, fix that. Why is that not working? Come on, let's see. Let's see if we can get this thing to go. Let's see. It might go. Good opportunity to go. It's slowly picking up volume. So let's see. Maybe it'll go up here. I'm just gonna put this up here so I don't forget. Sometimes it's too quick. There we go. This one here is just frumping around, not doing much. Uh-oh. It's like Kree's mood today. Uh-oh. There we go. Come on, keep on rising. Okay. Go. There we go. There we go. Come on, ISPC. I like that. That'll work. That will work. Perfect. And let's go ahead and all right. Boom. I can do this. I can do this now. I think. Let's see. Boom, shakalaka. All right, we're good. We're growing up slowly. Boom. Sweet. Come on, baby. Keep on going. There's 170. Nice. We're almost there. We're almost to 213. Oh, volume is picking up, guys. Volume's picking up. It's almost rolled its regular volume once. We got ISPC trying to impress me by moving up in the correct direction. All right, let's see AMS. Any news? I had to work some stuff out here on AMS. What, 169? Let's see what the system says. Term, what he's one Johnny. Strong enough to stay in play today if the tape confirms the move. Pre-market override active. Yep. Orb setup, read, generated. Perfect. Relative volume, 8.21 versus reference. Okay. Last price 169. Yep. It's messing around right now. Okay, it was close. It was close to my target. So that's cool. All right. Let's see. News. Amos has movement. The story still needs match chart. Fallback feed active. Good. Change. Good. Tape quality. A catalyst. Timing. Risk efficiency. A minus. Volume. C liquidity. Okay. Execution. A minus. And we'll see. We'll see what she does. WTO analysis. WTO? What do you know? I think we did WTO already. Sounds familiar. WTO. Ooh, it broke structure. It broke down. I don't know why that's red. It was supposed to be green. There you go. Green. So it broke that structure. Now let's see. Because I said it's going to go to 372. But you got to look at a couple things here. Okay, it's kind of did like a little bit of a head and shoulder pattern right here, came down. So you're waiting for it to get back over volume weighted average price about 282. Once it gets over that, it's going to have a little problem at $3. And once it gets through $3, you might hit that 340, find some more resistance there. Look at your MACD though. Your MACD is not telling you much other than, hey, you know, the thing's kind of fading. And so is your volume. Your volume's fading a little bit on WTO. So yeah, this one here, WTO. So it broke that structure, right? So now we take it, we can go ahead and extend it this way. Line it up off of the low there, the low peak there. And now that is your trend line. So hopefully this thing continues to bounce up and down for you all the way past volume weighted average price up to the sky here. All right, we can give you some deeper deeper areas of resistance. Like I said, 270. Look what's at 270 right here. There's a lot of resistance there. Can't get through it. Can't get through it. Can't get through it. Okay, we'll make it red. So you remember it's resistance. All right, you got support right under it at 241. That's your support right there. Okay, now I'm gonna go out to an hour and just see what it's been doing. Banana. All right, let's change something. Let's see. Let's look at the 2 hour real quick. All right, 2 hour. Perfect. Yeah, so standard operating procedure, it has problems with $3. It has problems with 270. So there you go. Yeah, AMS is I mean it's a super small small company there, stock. Where is it? I just pulled it up a minute ago. And what you're looking for on AMS is you're looking for that volume to pick up. Now, sometimes it's risky, but you can front run it like I did, you know. A nice big double bottom. That is a little far away. I'm not happy that it's that far away, but this is a 2-hour chart, so gives you a little bit of the bigger picture. So the past, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, the past 8 hours, it's been good. It's been positive. So it's spiked, bull flagged, and continued the move. So that gives me a good feeling in my tummy that this has a chance to actually get up to, 170, then the targets. So we'll see. So far it's rolled its volume twice. It's rolled its average volume twice. The float's only 3.5 million. If this thing drops some news or something, then then it could move. I'm thinking about 213, 221, something like that. Right in there. I just got into 2 just to see how it goes. What's up, Harley? Sorry, guys, I wasn't paying attention to the comments as much as I should. Let's see. Let me scroll up here. Run AMS. Thanks, Harley. AMS jumps crazy. LOL. Sure does. David, maybe my wife will stop complaining. I finally got sober. Ha ha. Hey, speaking of that, I am a whole month sober. No drinking for a whole month. Yeah, started April 1st. And now we're doing it. We're doing it, Peter. We're doing it. So we're watching these right now. There are more exciting things out there. Actually just ran past one, but I don't think did Sober let you buy on Weeble? David? Shorts may have ISPC. Well, I guess they just let go, huh? A little bit. A little bit. That was a good little run to 624. Let's see if it can't do any more. Tell me that they want to drop some news or something. Tell me they want to drop some news. So here's the thing. You'll see a lot of stuff out there, okay? You'll see a lot of stuff out there on ISPC and AKAN. How they share the same CEO, which is a complete crock. They don't share the same CEO. That's just a bunch of Twitter babble. What really is going on is the CEO of ISPC actually works as a director at AKAN. So that's, yeah, wait a second. I might have that flipped. I'm tired. It's early. Oh my God, Allie, you know I can't tell you buy, sell, or hold or nothing. You know that. You've been on here plenty of times. I can't tell you that. Come on. You know, you know. If you know, throw a fireball in the chat. How many times have I said I cannot tell you to buy, sell, or hold jack shit? Can't do it. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I can't tell you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a jackass on TikTok. That's it. That's all I am. I'm a regular guy. I have 2 kids, a wife, a dog, a bunch of fish. Just trying to make it. Just trying to make it through the day, without hurting anyone or hurting myself. you know? I mean, that's really all we try to do. When you wake up and the first thing you do is stub your toe, well, you failed already, Come on, baby. Keep on going. 620. Get back over that green line. Come on. CERS pumped and kind of dumped. 193 million float, 83,000 so far traded. 1.53 million is its average. Looked good, doesn't look so good. I mean, I'm just scanning over here, scanning. BYND is doing some, so this is what you call barcoding. BYND. Ready? Boom. That's what you call barcoding. This is a barcode. This is just algorithmic trading, 1 penny at a time. Okay? If you didn't know, you know. What I recommend doing on stuff like that, if you are so entitled that you want to actually get into something like that, then entitled? Damn. I need that coffee more than I think. We're just a bunch of lunatics that play penny stocks, but we are the coolest around. Yes, we have a lot of fun. That's for sure. That's for sure. So yeah, so if you are inclined to, there we go, inclined, that's the word I was using. Damn it. Brain work. That's the word I was looking for. It. If you are so inclined to playing a stock that barcodes on the 1 minute, change your time frame to something higher, like 5 or 15. Draw your lines, your trend lines maybe off of a 30, 2 time frames up. That's what I've realized actually works pretty well. Gives you a better picture of what is actually going on. So let's see. How's that little thing doing there? And by little thing, I don't mean what you guys think. Ha ha ha. You guys are sick. Oh, you guys are sick. Oh, here, I wanted to show you guys because, you know, I believe, if you believe, you shall achieve. I will show you where I stand or sit or what have you, if I can find it. There it is. That's what I'm saying, right? Whoa, that's what I'm saying right there. Yep. Can you guys read that? Yep. That's what I'm talking about. Balls of steel, my friends. Balls of steel. Holding this stock as long as I've held it, that's considered balls of steel. I believe I can fly. There we go. Come on, AMS. Keep on building that volume. I'm sure there's something that's making it move. There's got to be a reason for it. By make it move, meaning it's already rolled the float twice. I mean, it's already rolled the average volume twice. The float's low enough. You hold it for how long? What do you mean I hold it for how long? I mean, just until I'm done peeing. That's how long I hold it. Just kidding. Just kidding. ISPC, I've been holding since before the split. Do 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 do. Do do do. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. So I went up how much? Well, not much really. I mean, I've got 325 shares and my average is $6. So What was I doing? I was writing something. I was doing something. Oh, come on. You got to do better than that. You can't just do that. You can't just do that. Come on. Don't make me sell you. Stinky Pinky, yeah, it split like 3 days ago. It did a one for 40 reverse split. Yep. If you notice, a lot of these reverse split companies are stocks are doing pretty good after the split. Nice little weird looking double bottom there. $8 on PBM, previous runner. Oh, low float. The volume's super low right now, but it's already up almost $1 since last night, since after hours. PBM. PBM, obviously you got your targets, right? What are your targets? Well, there's a little gap here at about $8.50. So go ahead and we'll put, no, I don't want to put an alert. We'll put a little line right there, 850. Come as close. It says 848. That's fine with me. That's actually not a bad number to be looking for. There you go. We've watched this thing so many times. We got lines all over the place. There we go. If we spread that out there, there we go. Look at that. Let's see what she does. This is a 15-minute chart. Here is your 1-minute chart. That just helps a little bit there. And we got our target coming up soon. Here she goes. Here she goes. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, David. All right. So what's going on here? So you want, oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Okay, I got you. I see what you guys are putting down. I get it. AMS not doing so good for me yet. Still waiting. In between churning babies, right about now, it's your boy. You heard back again. DJ Manny. Fresh, fresh. Come on, baby. DJ, that's my DJ. Oh, DJ, that's my DJ. So yeah, 40 for one means if you have 40 shares, they'll give you one share for each 40 of your shares. The price goes up about 40 times. So if the stock is 15 cents and you multiply that by 40, that turns into about $6. Yeah. So there you go. You have one share worth $6 instead of having 40 shares worth, 15 cents. Now, here's the crazy part. So they can do that, but you know what they're doing with a reverse split like that? So companies used to do regular splits, which are awesome. So if you had, one share, they would give you 3 shares. Or I know Apple did it for a little while. They were giving shares. So they did a regular split, and they took your one share and they gave you 3 shares for it. And the reason they do that is because the stock price is too high. They want it to be more available for retail to buy, more available for people like you and me to buy. And that's a regular split. It gives you more shares, gives you more opportunity for when the stock goes up. Let's say it goes up $1. Well, then however many shares you just got that many more dollars. And I think reverse splits should be illegal because then that actually takes away from you. You got into that stock, you bought a certain amount of shares for one reason and one reason only, is because you wanted that stock to go up a certain amount and you wanted to make sure that you're going to make a certain amount. For the most part, you were like, okay, hey, I'm going to buy 1,000 shares of this. And if it goes up $1, I make $1,000. Well, now they do a 1 for 100. Now you don't have that. Now it goes up $1 and you make $10. Like, what the that is so not. It's very frustrating how the market is completely against retail and no one gives a shit, you know. But anyways, I can go on, I can be on that soapbox for hours upon hours upon hours. Hey guys, no one reminded me. It's 5 o'clock. This is the time where I go over to the Discord. So I'm gonna go over to the Discord. I'm gonna continue this live there. Guys, if you're still interested in getting in Discord, this is how you get in it before I push the price up. This is how you get in it. You go to jrockstocks.com. Okay, there's the Discord. That's how you get there. If you want the watch list, where's the watch list? The watch list is right here. If you want the watch list, there it is right now. Remember, the prices are going up. If you're already in, then you're grandfathered in. That's all I can say. All right. If you're in, you're grandfathered in. Full access right now for Jrockstocks is right here. Is right here. So this is my new little analyze tool that I put together. Isn't that pretty cool? Little day trader analyze tool, tells you information, gives you a bunch of information on the stock you're looking at. Anyways, I'm gonna go away from that real quick. All right, so here you go. So here's Jrockstocks. I got 100 reviews. You can read those. There is pricing right here. So today was, well, yesterday was the last day of this $59.99. So if you guys are in any of these plans and you're in it, you've been in it for a while, you're grandfathered in, your price doesn't go up at all. All right. So over here, you got $39.99 for the live trading room. You got full access, $59.99. You guys can still get in it because I have not changed it. It's going to change today, but it just requires me to do some things on the website in the back. Watch list 50% off is $19.99. That's what you get. All right, guys, go to jrockstocks.com to do that. And I will catch you guys later. Peace out. Thanks for hanging out. Love you. Bye. A ta-ta. A bye-bye. A bye-bye now. All right. Thank you, Night Owl, for hanging out. Thank you. Thank you. I'll see you over at the Discord. Peace.